Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want safer, more effective workouts, Runna allows you to include warm-up and cool-down phases in your training sessions. These help prepare your body before hard efforts and improve recovery afterwards. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to add warm-up and cool-down in Runna in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what's warm-up and cool-down in Runna are? In Runna, warm-up is an easy run before the main workouts, gradually increases heart rate, prepares muscles for efforts. Cool-down is an easy run after the workout, helps lower heart rate and supports recovery. So these phases surround the main workouts. So first thing first, now log into your account, go to your active training plan, make sure your plan is visible, open plan settings, so tap your training plan. Okay, so like this. This is where workouts preferences are adjusted. Okay, so enable warm up and cool down, so tap workouts preferences. So this is our training preferences, as you can see here. Okay, so look for warm up option and cool down option. Okay, it should be here if you upgrade your account. So toggle both on. These activates them for applicable workouts. So if available, tap the warm-up settings, choose duration, for example 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay, repeat for cool down, so shorter for easier runs and longer for hard sessions. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.